हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, इस वीडियो में आई विल एक्सप्लेन ओम्स लॉ. व्हाट इज ओम्स लॉ, विच इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओम्स लॉ क्या बोलता है कि इफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू अ कंडक्टर. कंडक्टर यहाँ पर क्या होता है, पहले ये चीज समझना जरूरी है. देखिए स्टूडेंट, हम लोग जब भी कोई भी डेफिनेशंस पढ़ते हैं तो हमें एक एक वर्ड का मतलब मालूम होना चाहिए. Suppose if in this law, if I tell you that the electric current is flowing through a conductor, we know what is electric current, then we know what is conductor. Conductor is a substance that allows electricity to flow through it. So here Ohm's law, if electric current is flowing through a conductor, then that electric current is directly proportional to the potential difference across the current, right? You can say this potential difference across the end of the conductor. This V is what? Potential difference across the end of the conductor. So, what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that electric current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द एंड ऑफ द कंडक्टर. तो यहाँ पर हम अगर इसका एक्सप्रेशन लिखेंगे तो इसके एक्सप्रेशन को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? V is directly proportional to I. What is V? This is potential difference is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. Now we know that to remove this proportionality sign, we have to put one constant. So what constant we are putting here? That is R. R is a constant which is known as resistance. R को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Resistance बोलते हैं. Right? This is R. This is resistance. So this is your Ohm's law. V is equals to I R. यहाँ पर V की यूनिट क्या होती है? वोल्ट. I की यूनिट क्या होती है? एम्पियर. और R की जो यूनिट होती है वो होती है ओम. Just to pay our gratitude to this scientist, Ohm. So this is Ohm. Now Ohm is equals to volt upon ampere, or R is equals to V upon I. You can make different formulae by using this relation. That is V is equals to IR, R is equals to V upon I, and we can make other formulae also by using this expression. So my dear student, I hope this Ohm's law is very clear to you. Now in the next video, I will explain that this quantity R, it depends on how many factors. Like if we are talking about the conductor, so there must be some length of the conductor, there must be some area of the conductor, there must be temperature of the conductor. So how does these factors affect this value, this quantity R? So in the next video, I will explain about the factors on which this resistance depend. And again, we will find out one more formula for that topic. So like this video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Bye bye.